everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance recipes. So today I'm shooting this recipe in the morning. It's morning, nice in Bangalore, and I'm shooting my favorite masala chai. The masala recipe I'll be putting in the description. This is my favorite tea apart from Mumbai cutting chai. So let's begin. So I've taken a pan and water, and I'm going to boil this water first, and then I'm going to put in some ingredients for my masala chai. So I like my masala chai with a combination of crushed ginger and masala powder that I make at home, which I will give the recipe in the description, and also elaichi powder. So this is my home recipe, and this is how I like my tea, and it's very tasty. So I want you to try this at your home. So while the water is boiling, I have crushed this ginger around 1 inch. I generally like to put more ginger, and I'm going to put this ginger first, and after that I am going to put my elaichi powder, which again I have made and kept it in this dabba. So 1 tablespoon of elaichi powder. I like to put elaichi more because I like the taste of elaichi, but this is optional. You can put as per your wish. And this is my homemade masala, tea masala, and I'm going to put that also. Then we are going to boil this nicely, and then the tea is going to taste very good. I like to put this around at least half a teaspoon to a little bit more than that. Let this whole thing boil nicely, and after it's boiled nicely, we are going to add our tea powder and milk. Water I have taken is around half a cup, but you can take a little bit more. So this is not a, this tea that I make is my own measurement as per how many people I'm making. So it's all approximation, and at least put half a cup of water, but I would say adjust the water as per the number of cups you're making and the size of the cup also. Now I'm going to put in my tea leaf, which is Taj Mahal. So I like to have a strong tea, so 3 tablespoons of this, and now let's boil this. So this is the thing, I like to boil this nicely. And now since it's boiled nicely, I'm going to put my milk. So my cups are a little bit bigger in size, which is like this, and so I'm making 2 big cups of tea right now. So cup size as per what you want, and now just boil this nicely till it's boiled and it changes its color. Okay, so our tea is boiling, but I still want to boil it for another 5 minutes. Boiling in the water before putting milk and boiling afterwards is very important. This is a very tasty tea. You will love it. I like a combination of elaichi and masala, both. That's why. But do try this recipe in your home kitchen and let me know in the comments if you like it. It's a combination of adrak, elaichi and masala. Generally people make just ginger tea or elaichi or just masala. One day I just thought of experimenting and I just liked the combination. And ever since then I am doing this masala tea. So let it boil for another 5 minutes, and then we will strain it in the cup and serve. Subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments if you have tried any of my recipes and what you want me to do, so that I can come up with more and more recipes. So let this boil for 5 minutes. So generally I like to bring 10 boils, at least 10 to 12 boils like this, whole boils on high flame. Only then the whole masala blends very well. So I do it high and low 10 times and then strain it. Masala tea. Have nice masala tea with either toast or butter biscuits or cookies or khari biscuits or khari, not biscuits, khari, especially in Mumbai. Those kharis are very tasty. So, yep, I think I should just switch off my flame. The color looks good and I'm going to strain it. So, let's do it. Okay, so let's strain our tea and serve hot. The best morning tea ever. I have to have this morning tea. I'm a tea person. I'm sure most of you are. So here we go. Our masala tea is ready. Serve hot. I see you soon again with some new recipe. Till then, take care.